Hi and welcome to another edition of Botsplash TV. I'm Willem Osich, and today I'll be covering SOC 2 certification. Security Organization Control 2, or SOC 2 for short, is an auditing process that ensures that one's service providers securely manages your data for the interest of protecting your organization and the privacy of its clients. The SOC 2 certification process is an industry-recognized badge of honor, making a software-as-a-service company be seen as a legitimate and credible provider of a software. The SOC 2 certification process can be a lengthy one. It can take several months for an auditing firm to go through the necessary SOC 2 controls and applications a company has put in place, ranging everything from internal company policies to ticketing logs. Botsplash recently finished its SOC 2 auditing process and is now fully SOC 2 certified. While Botsplash has always kept a consistent records of its operations, the SOC 2 certification officially verifies this and gives its clients and prospects a peace of mind in knowing that Botsplash is fully adhering to proper, compliant industry standards. I'm Willem Osich, and this has been a SOC 2 certified episode of Botsplash TV.